G'day. I'm still working on my Bondwell 14 restoration, but I thought we'd have some fun, and I'm going to see if we can generate some music using Microsoft Basic under CPN using the Bondwell's digital-to-analog converter. And we're just going to use the out command to talk directly to port 50 hex on the Bondwell. That is the digital analog converter, and hopefully we can generate some simple tones, and we might even see if we can play a 19th century nursery rhyme, Mary Had a Little Lamb, which is public domain, so there's no chance of a content match as it's not copyrighted, and it probably won't even sound anything like Mary Had a Little Lamb. But let's just give this a whirl and see how we go. A Bondwell 14 using its digital analog converter to play something that resembles Mary Had a Little Lamb written in Basic. Well, that wasn't too bad for a first attempt. We might see what else we can do and have a little bit of play with the code. Maybe I might be better off doing something in assembler, but for now, I'm going to say goodbye. Catch you next time.